no, oh no. No! No! Can't get me. So
Can't get me.
I can hit you.
Sure you could. Let's see it.
You slow at driving.
I could have gotten you.
Gotcha!
Okay, now I have to get you. Oh wait, I'm already on you.
Huh?
Now I have to get you. Oh wait, I'm already touching you.
Not. You need to get me. You need to start from there, and I need to start from there.
No, I start from there.
Fine. I get the wet spot. Ready? Okay, make a jump for it. Go! Ah, man.
It's easier for you. It's easier for me to get you now.
Ready?
Go.
Okay. Go! No! Aha, you didn't get me.
You can't get me.
Why is this like a little kid or something? No! Oh yeah, you pushing me. Right there. Come on, you can make it.
Oh yeah.
Come on, get it. No, no! My poor baby! I don't know.
Come on, push. Oh no.
Oh yeah!
That water. I didn't go through that.
Okay.
Okay, no more picking it up. Only if it falls over.
Unless both of them fall.
Okay, I'm vetoing that.
It looks like